Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a question that frequently comes our way. What sets 4-axis standard and 4-axis Pro apart? Let's explore together. Behold, a part ready for programming, showcasing both methods. Roughing this piece using fork standard is a process of creating an index system, specifying directions, and performing a 3-axis roughing operation. Then, repeating the whole process for the other side. Moving to the finishing stage, we utilize the 4th-axis rotatory. However, notice how we're limited to only 2 axes, A and Z. While we can definitely complete the part, the perpendicular toolpath creates markings on the surface, and the small step over required for a decent finish extends our cutting time. But here's where 4-axis Pro shines. With Pro, we can rough following the part's contour. Instead of indexing and rotating, we rough as we rotate. And the magic happens during finishing. Watch as the tool gracefully moves in X, Y, Z, and A axis simultaneously. This is true 4-axis interpolation in action. We're not just following the surface for an impeccable finish, but also drastically reducing our cutting time. The solution remains elegantly simple, even with intricate parts like this helical gear. Define the tool, input step over, enter allowances, set boundaries, and establish links. Repeat the process for finishing and you're all set. Look at that. Roughing, finishing, and G-code generation, all in minutes. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Transform your machining experience with 4-axis Pro, saving time, achieving precision, and opening doors to unlimited possibility. Have a fantastic day.